three poles. For example, these are the poles. These are the poles. And for example, these are the three poles, okay? They're having the same height. And for example, if we are standing here and from here, if we watch, all three will look in a perfect synchronized order. These three will look in a perfect synchronized order, okay, if we have the flat surface of the earth. But that is not possible. We can't see the things in a same way just because earth is not a flat, it is a spherical in shape. That's the only reason. The first thing that we see in shape is the mast of the ship. Earth is spherical. For example, let us take this. It's not the perfect surface, but it's just for an example I'm showing it to you, okay. So earth is not spherical. We always see the center portion is always a little bit higher as compared to the side portions. And if we watch from this any corner, be it from this side or that side, the first thing that we'll see is the middle portion of this. And then we'll see this portion and that portion. Just because this will be slightly, higher than that of this portion and this portion. This experiment was given by the Bedford level. This experiment is known as Bedford level experiment. Okay. This experiment is known as Bedford level experiment. For example, if the shape is different, then we can see the different view from the different location. And especially if it's a spherical shape, then we see the first thing which is in mid is slightly higher as compared to the other two. Whereas in flat surface, all the three locations and all the three poles that we have taken in consideration will always look similar. This is if we have kept the things on flat surface and if we have kept the things on spherical surface. So this was the experiment for today. Hope you will like it, and in case of any query or doubt, you can ask me. Thank you.